How to delete page in Word. Getting rid of an empty page in Word keeps your document clean and stops any weird spacing or formatting problems when you print or share it. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get that done. So I'm going to go ahead and show you 3 ways in order for us to get this done. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and click this navigation pane here in order for us to see all of the pages that we have. If you don't see this one, just go ahead and tap the pages option here. Now you can see that I have 4 pages in here, and then one of them is blank. So this is the blank, so this is the first, second, third, and of course the 4th page, which is the blank page. Now this is actually very simple. If the page that you want to delete is at the last, you're just going to go ahead and hit backspace. There you go. As you can see, one of the pages has been deleted. Now we have 3 out of 3 pages. Now say for example you still have that one. Alright, there you go. I'm going to go ahead and click this one, and then you cannot hit the backspace. Now what you are going to do is click the home button here, and then we're going to go ahead and hit this one. So this actually is something that you can see in here. Now we're going to go ahead and utilize this page break option. So what you're going to do is basically double click this one, the page break. There you go. After double clicking it, you're just going to go ahead and hit backspace, and you can see that now it's gone. Now in order to remove all of them, you're going to go ahead and click this once again. There you go. It's something like that. Very simple, right? Now, what if, say for example, the page that you want to delete is in the middle, say for example here. So this is the first page, this is the second page, and you want to delete the second page. Now, what you are going to do is basically go here. All right, there you go. And then you're just going to go ahead and hit backspace from here. Alright, so after hitting it twice, you can see that now it has been deleted. So yep, that is how simple it is. Congratulations everybody. Now you know how to delete your page here in your Word. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.